Hey American History students, I just want you to watch this quick video here. I tried something new, trying to embed a video into Wiser. So you're going to watch a video over Roosevelt's first fireside chat. Problem is that you can't watch the video and have the questions up at the same time. But you can pause the video, you can bounce back and forth. But I just want to show you real quick what you're going to need to do in order to complete this assignment. So I'm going to pause this, and then I'm going to go into Canvas. Okay, so I'm here in Canvas, and what you're going to need to do is this goes under the CV-19 Week 4 module. So you're going to need to click on Roosevelt's first fireside chat, and then that's going to take you into Wiser. And then you're going to need to click on Wiser, and then that's going to load up. And then after it loads up, totally loads up, you need to click on right here where it says Great Depression. And after you click on that, just go on Stay on Student View, and then you can start the video. Now, I encourage you, I encourage you to use the closed captioning. I really think that will help you to answer the questions better, so that when you see the question as it is back here, and there are the questions right there, you can see that there's going to be a word bank down here, and all you have to do is simply click and drag the word to the proper space right there. But it'll be a lot easier, I think, if you're on closed captioning. So how do you get to closed captioning? I'm going to go ahead and play this, and I'm going to turn closed captioning off. And now I'm just going to click on closed captioning. I'm going to click on unknown CC. And when the guy starts talking here in a few seconds, you should see the words pop up. Okay, so there the words popped up. So all I did was I went to CC, clicked on that, and I clicked on unknown CC, and the words are popping up. So I just wanted to make this little tutorial for you as to how to do this worksheet. And then when you get to the bottom, you can see that there's a question here. You'll answer this one when you're all done with this up here after the video has ended. It's about a 6-minute video. So you need to watch this before you try to do the worksheet.